Ifa Lineage. Welcome back to Get Better Life TV. Today, we are diving into a fascinating and deeply meaningful topic, Ifa Lineage. This concept is not just about ancestry. It's woven into the very fabric of Yoruba culture and spirituality. We will explore its significance, how you can trace your roots, and what it means to understand your Ifa heritage. So let's get started. First, let's define what Ifa lineage is. Ifa is a system of divination and a spiritual practice that originates from the Yoruba people of Nigeria. It plays a vital role in understanding one's place in the world. In Yoruba culture, lineage is not just about blood relations. It's about the spiritual connections we inherit from our ancestors. The significance of Ifa lineage cannot be overstated. It informs our identity, our purpose, and our life path. Each individual is believed to have a unique destiny, shaped by the wisdom and experiences of those who came before us. Ancestral connection is a cornerstone of this belief. It provides a sense of belonging and continuity. By understanding our lineage, we gain insight into the strengths and challenges we may face in our lives. It's a way to honor our ancestors and keep their stories alive. The Ifa Oracle plays a crucial role in this journey. It serves as a guide, offering wisdom and direction, not just for individuals, but for entire communities. Through the oracle, we can seek counsel on personal dilemmas and communal issues, ensuring that we align ourselves with our destiny and the collective well-being of our people. Now, let's talk about how to trace your Ifa lineage. There are several methods to explore your ancestry. One of the most important avenues is oral tradition. Story passed down through generations can provide invaluable insight into your family's history. Historical records can also be a useful tool. This might include documents, birth records, or even family trees that trace your lineage back to significant ancestors. One of the most profound ways to understand your Ifa lineage is by connecting with elders and family members. These individuals often hold a wealth of knowledge about your ancestry that may not be documented anywhere else. Their stories, wisdom, and experiences can help you paint a more complete picture of your lineage. It's important to remember that Tracing your lineage is a collaborative effort. Don't hesitate to reach out to others within your family or community. Sharing knowledge and stories can enrich your understanding and strengthen your connections. Now, let's dive deeper into what it means to understand your Ifa lineage. The Ifa system is rich and diverse with various traditions, each offering distinct characteristics. This diversity reflects the myriad experience and cultures within the Yoruba people. By exploring your Ifa lineage, you can uncover insight into your personal strengths and weaknesses. What gifts have your ancestors passed down to you? What challenges might you face? Understanding these aspects can illuminate your life purpose, helping you navigate your path more effectively. Ultimately, embracing your Ifa heritage is about honoring your past and using that knowledge to shape your future. It empowers you to live authentically, guided by the wisdom of your ancestors and the teachings of the Ifa Oracle. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Ifa lineage. I hope this discussion inspires you to delve into your own roots and connect with your heritage. Remember, understanding where you come from can provide profound insights into who you are and where you are going. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Until next time, embrace your ancestry and let it guide you on your journey. Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the super thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community.